Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy strawberry, mango, and papaya smoothie. This smoothie is bursting with flavor and with nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. This drink is sure to make your tummy happy. The ingredients that I used for this smoothie was a half a cup of milk, 4 cut strawberries, 1 small cut mango, 3 cubes of sliced papaya, a small bowl of crushed ice, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. First, we start off by pouring in the bowl of crushed ice. Next, we add in the sliced fruits consisting of sliced papaya, strawberries, and 1 small mango. Then, add in the half cup of milk. Last, add in the 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Once all of these steps are completed, blend everything until the smoothie is rich and thick. Pour into a glass cup or your favorite bottle and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial on how to make a healthy strawberry, mango, and papaya smoothie.